Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Todoist login problems, sync and account errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with Todoist, don't worry. Let's walk through some steps to help you resolve these issues. First, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Open another website or app to verify that your internet is working properly. Next, confirm that you're entering the correct login credentials. Make sure that there are no typos in your email or password. If you're unsure, consider resetting your password. Navigate to the login page and click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions in the email you received to reset your password. Once you have reset your password, try logging in again. If you are still facing issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve login problems caused by outdated data. You can clear cache and cookies through your browser settings. After clearing them, restart your browser and attempt to log in again. If you are using the Todoist app, try updating it to the latest version. Check your device's app store for any available updates. If an update is available, install it and try logging in once more. If the problem persists, check Todoist's status page for any ongoing outages. Sometimes, server issues can cause login errors and sync problems. If there's an outage, you may need to wait for it to be resolved. Another option is to try logging in from a different device or browser. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your current setup. If you're using two-factor authentication, ensure you have access to your authentication method. Finally, if you continue to experience issues, reach out to Todoist's support team. Provide them with as much detail as possible about your login issue. They can assist you further in resolving any account-related problems. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Todoist login problems and get back on track. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.